Learn about the different types of asset actions you can take. Explore transfer location, verify custody, start maintenance, and more actions for your assets. Head on to the Asset Details page. Click on the 3 dots on the right to view the whole range of actions you can take for assets. Let's start with an example. Here we choose to update location for the asset. A pop-up window will appear where you can change the asset location. Select the location you want to move the asset to from the drop-down. Once done, confirm the location change to move the asset. Next, let's explore how to acknowledge custody for an asset. This is important to help maintain ownership trails. A custody verification form will pop up. Deny, verify custody for the asset in the form, and enter reasons for doing so. Confirm the status change to update the custody for the asset. You can also track a list of all actions taken for a particular asset. In order to do this, go to View State History. A history of all changes in the asset status will be displayed here. For example, this asset moved from available to checked out to audited. There are direct asset actions buttons available on the Details page. You can directly extend checkout, check-in, and start service for assets from the Detail page. Let's say you want to check in the asset. Enter check-in details such as date and location to confirm the action. Next, let's explore how Start Complete service works to keep assets running. For asset service, you have the option to either instantly start or schedule a service. On the service pop-up window, specify service details for proper maintenance tracking for your asset. Once all details are filled, initiate the service request and notify maintenance team. When the asset is put in maintenance, the asset status will be updated to maintenance to halt further checkouts. Next, let's add the asset to a purchase order directly from the Details page. Add the asset to an existing PO. Choose the PO hash from the drop-down to add the asset and finalize procurement. Get a snapshot of all major asset events under the Events tab. The Events tab includes all critical asset actions in chronological order against the name of the person who performed them. If you want to view actions only specific to modules, you can do too. For example, the Service tab shows all service action history for an asset.